So I recently started a grad school program, and let's just say I'm juggling a full load of classes, trying to find an internship, networking, working a part-time job, and keeping up with my social life and healthy habits. It's so easy to get overwhelmed in the middle of all of this. But I found that these six small practices I've been implementing have really helped me keep my space, both physical and digital, a stress free zone during this transition. Let's go over them. The first one, recycle old papers. When you're in school, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking every class handout or campus flyer is important, but in reality, most of it you never look at again. I've started a habit where every few weeks I go through my folders and pull out anything that's outdated or irrelevant. If I'm on the fence about keeping it, I'll scan it or take a quick photo so I have a digital record. But honestly, I almost never go back to it. Let's just say I've never missed an old flyer for an event that already happened. Two, say no to swag. Career fairs, club events, tailgates, department get togethers, they love to hand you swag, but I've learned to be selective. For me, I'm not one to pass on chapstick or hand sanitizer if I don't have any because I know I'll use it, but a plastic cup I'll never use, or a t shirt that feels like thin sandpaper, definitely not. The truth is, these freebies often end up as clutter. They're not great quality, they take up space, and they're not really doing anything for your closet, your body, or the environment. Number three, Sunday resets. As a full time student, there's always something more important to do than cleaning your room. But you can't pour from an empty cup, right? I like to take Fridays or Sundays as my reset days. I'm a clean as you go person, so my space never gets too messy, but I still take the time to wipe down the surfaces, do laundry, and sweep or mop. And it's not about deep cleaning, it's more about giving myself permission to step away from my computer and refresh my environment so I can start the week with a clear head. Number four, monthly backpack clearouts. This is an old, underrated habit I've brought back. When you're on campus all day, you end up carrying a lot: lunch, snacks, water, chargers, books. Over time, your bag starts to feel like a weighted blanket. So once a month, I dump everything out, toss the trash like wrappers, wipe my bag down, and put things back where they belong. I don't need 5 pens just for my bag, so I'll put three back into my desk. It's amazing how much lighter and more organized you feel when your backpack isn't a black hole of random stuff. Number five, inbox to zero. Digital clutter can be just as stressful as physical clutter. Before I close my laptop for the day, I try to get my inbox to zero, which means deleting spam, scheduling replies for the next morning, and snoozing emails that can wait. This way, I start the next day without feeling like my inbox is an avalanche waiting to happen. Number six, using project management tools. I used to live off sticky notes and random to do lists, which meant I'd forget about deadlines and end up rushing at the last minute. Now I use project management tools like Notion to organize everything: long term projects, assignments, even personal goals. I can set soft deadlines, track my progress, and actually see what's coming up. It's been a game changer for me. So, those are the six small habits that help me keep my space, both physical and digital, as stress free as possible during grad school. Now, I admit it's not perfect all the time, but I've created these little systems that make my life easier and give my brain some breathing room. So, if you found this helpful, let me know in the comments which of these habits you might try, whether you're in school or for work, and share your own favorite way to keep your space stress free. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to live more intentionally. See you guys.